If you discover that your laundry load is still very wet after your washer has completed the spin cycle, there are a few things to check before calling for a repair. Follow along with this video to learn how to troubleshoot this common concern. The first thing to check is that the proper spin has been selected. Samsung washers allow you to customize your spin cycle to save on energy. However, if the type of load you are washing is not compatible with your selected spin cycle, this could cause your clothes to still be wet at the end. Small to medium loads can be washed with a low or medium spin setting. Larger loads should be washed with a high or extra high setting. Check your washer's display. If you see low or medium, you may have underestimated your load and need to adjust the spin to a higher setting. If the spin setting being too low is not the issue, you may have overloaded your washer. An overloaded washer will not spin properly. So remove some items and run a rinse and spin cycle. This should correct the problem. If your washer is not overloaded, it's very possible that the balance of the drum has been compromised. For example, if you're washing a relatively light load of socks but have one single pair of jeans thrown in, the balance could be off. Also, if you are washing a single large item like a rug or bed sheets, the water will make them so heavy that the balance could be off as well. In both instances, adding a few towels to the drum will help to create a balanced wash by dispersing water weight where it's positioned in the washer. Lastly, if none of these fixes correct the problem, you may need a more involved fix, which is to check and make sure the appliance itself is leveled. If the legs of your washer aren't level, the lean will cause an unbalanced cycle. Please reference our detailed how-to video on www.samsung.com/sbsn titled How to Level Your Washer if you require specific instructions on leveling. Do not skip this step as the legs might move over time. To check the leveling, place wet towels in the washer drum and turn on the spin-only cycle. You may have to fine-tune the height of one of the leveling legs to stabilize the unit, but be sure to lock the adjusted leg after the adjustment has been made. If the washer spins smooth and quiet, you will see the inner tube shake, but the washer itself should be stable. These troubleshooting tips should help ensure your spin cycle runs properly every time on your Samsung washer.